Welcome back to another video, and just time for a really quick one this week. As a lot of you will be aware, I've started importing Meepo Hurricanes. And so normally what I do is just like I do an unboxing, and then I do like a little ride-on review, and then I do a like a long-term review. But this time I thought what I'd do is something different. Is I put out there kind of what things do you want to see looked at, what sort of things do you want to see reviewed, do you want to see like the range on streets or ATs, what parts of the boards do you want to go over, what do you want me to dig into, what kind of details, and then I'll go ahead and do it. So for this week I'm just gonna cut in some ride footage of just going out and about Olympic Park, having a little shred on the board, checking it out, and then for the next couple of videos what I'll do is I'll take your comments on board and what things you want to look at, and I'll get out and I'll review and test these certain parts. If any of you are looking for a Meepo Hurricane, I currently have some in stock. I'll put some link in the description. So yeah, let's jump into the ride footage and I'll see you next time.